I'm Roxy and I'm super excited to announce that we have merch! Finally, the t-shirt, the sweater, and the poster of Roxy Rocks TV are available for pre-order at districtlines.com/RoxyRocksTV. I worked on this project for several months because I really wanted to draw myself the design, and at the end I chose this design that says virtual hug loading, so I can send you kind of like physical virtual hugs because you will have the shirt, right? I don't know if it makes sense, but I'm super excited. Pre-order means that you can order already the t-shirt, the poster or the sweater, and all these orders are gonna be shipped on November 6th, and from November 6th the store is gonna be 100% open. The people who pre-order now can use a discount code of 10% off, which is Roxy10, and this code is valid only for the pre-order, so only until November 6th. If English is not your first language and you don't know how to buy stuff on the website, on my blog I posted a tutorial on how to buy the t-shirt, the sweater or the poster on districtlines.com/RoxyRocksTV, and how to use the discount code Roxy10. Prices! The t-shirt is $22.99, which is kind of like 20 euros, but if you pre-order and you use the code, you're gonna pay only $20/18 euros. The sweater is $32.99, so 28 euros, but if you pre-order and you use the code, you're gonna pay only $29/26 euros. And the poster is $7.99, so 7 euros, but if you pre-order and you use the code, you're gonna pay only $7 or 6 euros. So it's better if you pre-order now and you use the code. Plus shipping. The shipping depends on how many items you get and on your country. When you select your country at the checkout, the website is gonna tell you how much is the shipping. When you receive your merch, your t-shirt, your poster and your sweater, take a picture with them and tag me, because I wanna give a special thanks to all the people who buy the Roxy Rocks TV t-shirt, poster or sweater. And that is that I'm gonna feature your picture at the end of the video, where there is now that gray picture. I'm gonna put your name, I'm gonna put your picture, and you're gonna be the Roxy Rocker of the week, and I'm gonna love you forever. I hope you guys like the design and the merch. You can pre-order now on districtlines.com/RoxyRocksTV. You can use the discount code valid only until November 6th, Roxy10, to get 10% off. And if you don't know how to buy on the website, there is a pictorial on my blog, RoxyRocksTV.com. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I just finished filming this video, guys, and I received something that I have to open with you guys. Okay, are you guys ready? Ta-tan! So this is the box. Ta-ta-tan! A letter from YouTube signed by Susan, the CEO of YouTube. Tan 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 tan! Ah! It's my 100,000 subscribers plaque. So cute, the silver play button. It's like this. It says YouTube Roxy Rocks TV, congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. This is all because of you guys. Thank you. I love you so much.